Hello there. So this is how to change your Uber Eats vehicle from a car to a bike. Now the main way to do this is by contacting Uber support. So all you need to do is just go to your browser and go to uber.com, and then you need to sign into your account. And once you're signed in, if you look at the top right corner, you're going to find an option that says help. Just click on it. And then this is gonna direct you to the help page of Uber. And from the options in front of you, just click on driving and delivering. Then into the search bar, just type chat. And then from the options available to you, just scroll down till you see other delivery issues. And under that, you're gonna find a number by which you can contact Uber. And you can also leave a request by clicking on this option and then typing in the details of your request. Just request that you want to change the vehicle from a car to a bike. And just click on submit, and with that you would be done. Hope that video was helpful.